Find out how you can get this adorable stamp set for free. It features the most adorable barista hedgehog and a cute little fox drinking up his coffee. With the bonus stamp set Critter Cafe add-on, you'll get this free when you join the I Want It All option for our Paper Pad Club. So for the Paper Pad Club I Want It All option, you'll get the 2 paper pads, coordinating ephemera, the 4x6 stamp set, and then this will be a bonus in your package. I will have a wait list in the description box. You can sign up there, and then come September, you will get an email letting you know you're able to sign up for the club. When you sign up monthly, that's when you'll qualify for this free incentive stamp. So you need to sign up monthly in order to get the freebie. And then also you'll get 18% off your subscription when you sign up monthly. So you'll see that discount in your shopping cart as well. I'll be making a card with this cute little hedgehog. He is so adorable, this little barista. We have the sentiments, falling leaves and lattes please, sending cozy vibes your way, perk up, it's fall y'all, made with love and caffeine. And then there's a couple of leaves and this cute little fox in a sweater holding a cup of coffee. So I was thinking about using the Easy Wonder Die number 2, and then I'm probably going to bring in a sentiment from this stamp set here. Since I did use this stamp set on the previous card. So here is the previous card that I made. I absolutely love how it turned out. It's so cute. So I did use the sentiment made with love and caffeine from the bonus stamp set. And I love this little sign that says today's brew acorn spice latte. And then the critters are just getting their little coffees at the Critter Cafe there. I love it. It's so cute. And then the paper in the background will be your September Paper Pad Club designs. So I'm using those today as well. This is the other paper pad that will be in your September package. And this is But First Coffee, and this paper is so good. Oh, I love all the coffee colors. The paper pad is called But First Coffee, and it is so good. For this paper pad, you get more designs, but you get 2 of each. So you do get some cutouts in here, so you get 2 of these. You can use as focal points on your cards. If you didn't want to use those, you could just use the back. Just gorgeous designs, lots of coffee beans, and I love these with the little swirls. Looks like cream in your coffee. And then there's just cups and lattes. Love this wood grain here. Looks like a countertop at a coffee shop. Just beautiful. So I just grabbed a couple. I'm going to cut out the cups with the Easy Wonder Die number 2. So the Easy Wonder Dies are designed by LV Handcrafted, and they are designed to smash your 6x6 paper pads. They fit perfectly on your 6x6 papers. They are just shy of 6x6, so they will fit perfectly on your sheet of paper. And they make crafting so much fun. It's like a puzzle, putting together all the pieces. So I cut an oval that's a little bit bigger than our oval on the piece that came out from the Easy Wonder Die number 2. I have my matte layer here. I decided to use these cute little coffee beans. I'm going to stamp part of the tree, so just like the edge here. So it looks like a little coffee sign, like he's coming out from the coffee shop. Okay, I just want the sign peeking out. Okay, that looks good. Okay, looks like I stamped it far enough where I don't need to mask. So I'm going to add this right there. So I can move my little guy to the center more. Okay, so that sign's just in front of our cute little barista. So when we put our oval over, we're only going to see that little part of the tree and the sign hanging down. And then I'm going to color in some grass, put some leaves falling. I'm going to stamp some of the leaves from both sets. There's some small little leaves that are perfect for this little branch. Okay, so I have my cute scene. Let's go ahead and color up this cute little guy.
Grab your glue, it's that time of year. Pumpkin vibes and crafty cheer. Paper pads with foxes and trees. Ephemera that's sure to please. We've got hedgehogs, mugs and leaves. Cocoa cups and cozy sleeves. Fall in love with every pack. You wanna craft and never look back. It feels like fall and not too shabby. Sweater weather makes me happy. Cut and layer, stamp and play. Let those autumn cards brighten your day. So much joy in every piece. Crafty bliss that just won't cease.
Rustic colors, gold and spice, crisp designs that look so nice. Die-cut pumpkins, woodland flair. We've got new goodies everywhere.
Add some twine and a belly band. That fall box fits right in your hand. Make a gatefold card or treat with paper this cute you can't be beat. It feels like fall and not too shabby. Pumpkin spice and crafting savvy.
Squirrel hugs and forest friends. Let your handmade magic never end. Crisp like leaves and sweet like pie.
Our fall release will make you sigh. So grab your stash and let's begin. For craft and joy from outside in. So grab your stash.
Okay, so there's my adorable scene. So cute.
It feels like fall and not too shabby. Sweater weather makes me happy.
Cut and layer, stamp.
I added some foam tape to the back.
Cards brighten your day. So much joy in every piece.
It feels like fall and not too shabby.
I have some enamel dots left, so I'm going to put 2 over here in this corner. Okay, so there's the finished card. It turned out so cute. I absolutely love this set. So here are the 2 cards I've created with the Paper Pad Club of the month for September. If you'd love to join the subscription monthly, please visit the link in the description box and sign up for the wait list and come join us in September. Every month we put out such cute themes, beautiful quality paper, and coordinating stamps. And the ephemera is so cute. It's got these cute little critters. They're all holding like cups And they are so cute. And there's like boho flowers in here. There's some mushrooms. Just absolutely adorable. Look at the owl. There's different sizes. So whatever project you're working on, you'll find something that works for you. The link to the waitlist is in the description box for you. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.